Hello guys, and welcome to weekly outlook here on pound USD. We've got euro USD, gold, USDCAD, DXY. Okay, starting off with pound USD. Just like last week, I was anticipating a push to the upside after retesting this region of 1.3265. Going into this new week, I'm going to be looking at this region that price has rejected about 3 times now, to use that as a point of to see if price comes back to break above this region, then I can go in for buys around this region back to this upside and possibly break and continue to the upside. All right, otherwise if price comes back to break below this region here, then we might be seeing potential retest to this downside. Also kindly note that we might see price come into these regions, reject here, and still start going to the upside. All right, but for now I think I would like to see price break above 1.3340, a retest, then we can go in for buys and retest the regions of 1.34 and 20 and above. Okay, and that is that for that's what I'm anticipating for pound USD going forward. I'll push this a little bit. Okay, now euro USD is quite very similar. I'll kind of call this like a consolidation area here. Okay, so what I'll be looking out to see is see price come break above this region here, a retest, and then we can continue to the upside, or we could get a break below this region here. Okay, and start selling to the downsides. Let me see these regions here. This is actually I'll take this off and maybe put a resistant line here. Okay, so this is what I'll be anticipating for euro USD. Break below, sell down, break above, buy up. Now for gold, we've seen like a double bottom rejection here. Price closed in really strong, so my anticipation is probably to see price start buying to the upside, but I'm only going to be confident to do that when price becomes above these regions of 3369 or 3370, a retest, then I can buy up to the previous highs that price has made here. Otherwise, we might want to now see a break of price below this region is a sell opportunity to the regions of 3214 and possibly these regions of 3165. Okay, that's exactly what I'll be looking out for. And then USDCAD, quite a lot of confluences here. We have a downward trend line probably retested, and we might start seeing price go to the downside. So my anticipation here is a break above this upward trend line. We'll see price retest to these regions. That's the first move before the updates on Wednesday or Thursday. But if I slide onto the 1 hour time frame here, I would like to see that price has held off these regions here as a mini resistant level. I would want to see price maybe break below, okay, retest. I would like to now start seeing price make some downward movements. So back to the 4 hours time frame so we can see that clearly. I would like to see create something like a double bottom. So I would like to see this probably like a neckline support region here broken, a retest, and then we can sell to the downside, most especially once price has broken 1.3782 regions. So that's what I'll be looking out for here on USDCAD. And lastly, for our confluence here, if I slide onto the 1 hour time frame, we might want to take note of a level here that has previously been respected, the support level here. Okay, so for me, what I'll be looking out for a bullish DXY will be when price breaks above these regions here, and we might start just get in for a buy here. But for sales, and it's been hesitant around this region, so I would like to see price come show us that it's willing to continue to sell opportunities down to these regions, and possibly even probably break and retest to continue. Alright, so this is what I'll be looking out for the DXY for this week. Okay, to see price coming. If you look at this formation, it looks like an inverted and shoulder pattern, and then we'll be anticipating the break of neckline to the upside. That's why we're looking at this as an important region here. Okay, otherwise then we'll look for price to invalidate this structure here, which looks like a previously held support region. A break of price below here will definitely get a pullback, and then we can sell. Okay, so if price sells or continue sells here on the DXY, then we'll definitely be looking for buy opportunities here on pound USD, and similarly here on euro USD. Okay, that's that for this week. I'll see you guys for weekly updates around Wednesday or Thursday. Make sure you back some peep this week. Yeah, ciao.